there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. I'd like to do one on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and its ability to do multitasking and Windows. This is also available for almost all Galaxy and Android phones, but I want to talk specifically on the Galaxies. So let's do this. This first thing to do is let's just open up an app here. Let's open settings. Okay, so here's your settings. And if you take your finger and you swipe from the top right corner to the bottom, and I'm holding my finger, you can make a window. Okay, so then you can move the window around, you can resize it. We have our three functions, actually four. You close it, okay, you can full maximize it, you can minimize it, which turns it into a little icon, or a little icon for want of a better word. And then you can say you want to start another one. So we'll open news and we'll minimize it. So now we have news going here and we have our settings, and then we can again minimize that. So now we have two different ones. Okay, and we'll just go back to the settings for now. We also, in the screen, you can open them both at the same time to the window. So again, there's the minimize, maximize, close. In this one, you can remove the headings at the top, the information. So I like to keep that on. You can also open in split screen. So I have two windows right now here. If I tap that, it's going to open them in split screen. So now the top one I have here is my settings, and the bottom one, I select an app that will split screen. So let's say news again. We'll put, how about that one? So now we have three windows open here. We have settings and news, and then this one. And then you also have, this makes it translucent. So if I don't want it, see the way it made it more translucent to see through it. Which I don't like. If I'm going to use a window, I'll have it open, either open or closed. So I don't want that setting. And then you go back to it. So that's some of the settings. However, this function is only available on certain apps. Only certain apps have this ability to do the swipe down and make it into a window, except for on the new Galaxies. There's an ability to turn it on for all apps. And where you find that at is, you want to go to Advanced Features, Labs, and then Multi-Window for all apps. You want to turn that on right here. Multi-window for all apps. Allow all apps to open in a pop-up view or split screen, including apps that haven't been designed for these layouts. So like I said, this isn't a feature that all apps have, except for the Galaxy. It will allow you with that setting to open all of them up. So, you know, if I want to open my calendar, there's my calendar, and then again I can swipe it down. Here's a news app. I can close or swipe that down. I think. There we go. So now we have 2 of them, and then we can minimize them. So again, there's one minimized, this one's open. Now I can do my work on a calendar, all while having this app, and you can go in between apps. It's a really neat feature. It really, where I find myself using it the most is going back and forth between emails. And I don't want to open my email app right now and show you. I've got a lot of personal information on there, but you can actually go and copy one email and then paste it into another email and go back and forth, and emails and web browser. I find using my web browser a lot for stuff that I do with emails and etc. So that's how you do your multitasking in Windows on the Galaxy. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.